Hello guys, I hope that you are all doing fine. Welcome back again to my channel, Automating Trading Boot. It is a pleasure to see you again to speak a little bit about cryptocurrency in general. Also, in today's video, we are going to speak exactly about Avax, which Avax is a cryptocurrency similar to Ethereum. It has been created as an alternative to the Ethereum network. And also are going to see some technical indicator analysis, indicator used in crypto trading, and exactly the moving average convergence, the MACD, indicator. And also are first going to do a little recap about the cryptocurrency markets and how they are behaving these days, and also are going to see some tweets from the major influencer to the crypto market, such as Elon Musk, the CEO of Binance, etc. So just 1 minute. So we have the king of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, at $51,000 today. The price has made a little correction yesterday around $47,000. We have an Ethereum that is recording right now a new all-time high at $4,100. We have a Binance coin around $600. We have a Dog coin around $0.51. We have a Cardano that has reached $2. I think yesterday or before yesterday. It is a new all-time high price. Also, we have Polkadot that is performing really well. In addition to that, we have Stellar also that is performing very well. We have some cryptocurrency that have made a correction, such as Ethereum Classic that has reached $115 and right now trading around 100. We have also EOS that is trying to break out the descending channel and moving to the uptrend channel. We have the Shiba coin, the new memes coin that is making that everyone is speaking about right now. I don't suggest you or advise you to invest in this shitcoin. I call it a shitcoin because the project don't have any fundamentals and don't have anything to give to the crypto world. So if you are going to invest into the crypto market, always search for strong fundamentals and also search for projects that are giving something new to the world or are solving a problem into the crypto industry or in the daily life of people. So as I have tell you today, I'm going to speak about the cryptocurrency that I think is good to invest in for the long term. The project offer real solutions, and it is an alternative for the highest costs of making business on the Ethereum blockchain. The project is Avax or Avalanche. So Avax is a cryptocurrency that has been created around 2011. The Avax is a token created by the Avalanche platform to secure the blockchain network, to pay for the operational fee transfer value between peers, and create new networks on the Avalanche platform. Additionally, Avax coin is the first smart contract platform that can verify transaction in under 1 second and that support all Ethereum development tools. So this paragraph means that the Avalanche team, as I have told you, was created as an alternative to the application on the Ethereum blockchain. So right now we are going to speak about the team. The team is led by the Turkish computer science professor Dr. Emin that has created the Avalanche platform using an original consensus protocol. Avalanche confirmed transaction in less than a second and support the entire Ethereum development toolkit. It is also the first smart contract platform to enable millions of full block generator. That means that in addition to be a platform that you can use for payment and for sending and receiving money, you can also create your own cryptocurrency using the smart contract of Avalanche. So if a developer or a team or an investor wish to give a real solution or to bring a new thing to the crypto market, he can do this using the Avalanche platform. During the testnet, the testnet word means that during the test of the crypto, the Avalanche broke the record of more than 1,000 block producer from independent parties around the world, even surpassing the test networks of some of the most anticipated network and most of the major active mainnet. Avalanche has one of the most equitable token distribution plan in the ecosystem of cryptocurrency, with less than 14 of maintained token issued to private investor and almost 70% to users who build on the ecosystem. So the Avax was created as a limited supply token. The total supply is set at 316 million tokens, and the maximum supply is 720 million tokens. Various transaction fee will be incurred as the system continually issue new token and it reach its maximum limit. All this thing that you have heard me saying means that the Avalanche development process, or during the development of Avalanche, the team has do a great work. The testnet was really successful, and the transaction was smooth, and the work of the different platform have been performed very well, surpassing the performance of other projects in the same industry such as Ethereum, Neo, or even Binance. So the Avalanche project has shown that has more potential than the major cryptocurrency into the field. So other information. The total token supply is 7,200 tokens. The all-time highest price of this cryptocurrency is $59. The cryptocurrency, I think right now is titled around 35 or 36. Just 1 minute, we need to confirm that because I have not control to see my trade since the morning. How is it? The crypto is trading right now at $38. You see with me. If we go to see other information, so as I have tell you, the Avax cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency that can be used for sending and receiving money. In addition to that, everyone can create its own cryptocurrency on the Avax blockchain. In addition to that, the cryptocurrency has its own NFT protocol, what means that if an artist or someone is holding something valuable like a letter from the Titanic crash, or I don't know, or have something valuable, he can store the value of this valuable thing as an NFT token on the Avax blockchain. And after a while, or after a moment, this NFT token will confirm the originality of his valuable thing. So the NFT, it is a protocol to store the copyright or the value of something. In addition to that, the Avax platform has its own DeFi protocol. DeFi means the decentralized finance, so it has its own banking system with the loan and the interest platform. On the Avax platform, for example, you can borrow money with a daily interest or a monthly interest, or even for an annual interest, or you can lend money and paying back some interest. In addition to that, the Avax has a staking program. Just 1 minute, I will explain what is staking. So the Avax staking process, Avalanche set itself apart from other blockchain with its lightweight, simple and intuitive staking process. At least 200 Avax are required to be a full block generator on Avalanche, and other subnets. Supported environments include Windows, Mac, Linux, and most cloud infrastructure. If requested, means staking on someone else's node can be included with 25 Avax staking hours. An important difference between Avalanche and other blockchain platforms is the management mechanism. Staking rewards are subject to dynamic change as the system evolves. For the first years, the annual staking reward will be initially targeting for a mining rate of between 7 and 20%. Just 1 minute. I don't know yet what is the rate of today of staking. Avax staking rate. So the staking process is really easy and simple to understand. If you hold a minimum of 2,000 Avax on your private wallet, this need to be a private wallet, or for example the Avax wallet. Avax has its own wallet that you can download on the Avax website or on Google Play. If you store a minimum of 2,000 Avax on your wallet, on Ledger Nano wallet, or on the Avax wallet, or into a hardware wallet like Ledger or Tezos, you will earn an annual interest between 7% to 20%. So let's say for example that you hold 2,000 Avax on your Avax wallet, and you hold them for 1 year. This will be a passive income of 214 Avax. So that means that you will earn around $8,400 if you stake a minimum of $17,000. So it is around 10% every year. So this is a passive income. So you are making money without doing anything. You have just to hold your Avax into your private wallet and you will make a passive income. This thing or staking is good for people that have some saving or have money that they are not using. This will bring you a passive income for the next years if you hold it into a private wallet. So in few words, the Avalanche coin platform has been supported by major companies such as Anderson and Polychain Capital. In few words, developers can create their own blockchain, their own crypto blockchain using the Avax platform. They can also issuing and trading cryptocurrency on the DeFi platform of the Avax, and also build scalable smart contract and decentralized application. If you have any question regarding the Avax platform, make sure to send them here into the comments or on my personal Facebook. I will be happy to answer all this question regarding the Avalanche project. So right now we are going to move into another party of the video. We are going to see some charts and how to do charts. In the last video I have explained how to get your charts into TradingView and what indicator that you will need to use to determine if the price will go up or down. In today's video we are going to see another indicator, which is the MACD indicator. I am also learning with you. In addition of making video, I am also discovering some new terms and some new information about cryptocurrency. I am not a crypto expert. I am just a newbie that love sharing thoughts and ideas about the cryptocurrency markets. So here is the MACD indicator. This is the evaluation of the price, the evolution of the price during the past days since the beginning of this year. So to add this indicator, you go here and you click on built-in and you write MACD. Here is it. After that you click on MACD, as you see with me. Here is it. The indicator has been added. So I'm going to, I need of course to do like that. So right now we are entering into a bear market. The price of course will go down during the next day, since that the short moving average will cross the long term average here, as you see with me, or it can be a bull run and a good signal. Maybe we are going to go into a bullish run into the Avax chart. So we cannot determine that because we don't have a cross from the long or the short. But when you would see this this candles right here between the long and the short, this is a positive signal to continue into the bullish market. So if we go right here, when the long term and the short term tendons are moving closely and are approaching between them, as you see here, here they are approaching between them, and here they are moving away. When they are approaching between them, that means that the change in the price will low, and the price will not make a big change. It will only change for a few dollars, say for example for $2 or $3. So the price will be traded for example between 33 and 36. But if the two lines are moving away from each one, that means that the trend or the change in the price will be higher. Let's say for example if they are not moving closely and they are moving away from each other, we will get a change in the price, for example, let's say from $20 to 36 or 37. So we are going to read about the moving average, conversion, divergence, MACD, in order that you understand more. So what is a moving average? So what is moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD? So moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving average of a security price. In our case, the security price is Avax. The MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26 period exceptional moving average EMA from the 20 period EMA exceptional moving average. The results of the calculation in the MACD line is a 9-day EMA of the MACD called the signal line is then plotted on the top of the MACD line, which can function as a trigger for buy and sell signal. Traders may buy the security when the MACD cross above its signal line and sell or short the security when the MACD cross below the signal line. Moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD indicator can be interpreted in several ways, but the more common method are convergence, divergence, and rapid response. In few words, if we go back to our chart, this paragraph means that you buy here when the signal line or the short moving average is crossing the long term moving average. It is a buy signal. You need to buy it right here when the short cross the long line or the security or the line is upside on the long term. But if we go into another case, when the short term is above the long term period, here it is a sell line, and you need to sell your security. So when is the short that is crossing the long, you need to buy, and when the short is crossing the long, you need to sell. Just 1 minute. So we continue our explication about the MACD. I hope that you are getting some information and you are understanding some K of the moving average converges divergence. So the MACD is calculated by subtracting the long-term EMA, the 26 period, from the short-term EMA, the 20 period. An exceptional moving average EMA is a type of moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. The exponential moving average is also referred to as the exceptional weighted moving average. An exceptional weighted moving average reacts more significantly to recent price change than a simple moving average SMA, which applies an equal weight to all observation in the period. Learning from MACD. So the past paragraph explained just what is how the MACD is calculated. Right now we are going to see how we can use a moving average indicator. The MACD has a positive value shown as the blue line in the lower chart, wherever the 20 period indicates by the red line on the price chart is above the 26 period, the blue line in the price line, and negative value 1 is below the 26. The more distant the MACD is above below the baseline. So in few words, one, the signal line or the moving or the long-term moving average or the long moving average or the short moving average is above the short-term moving average, the price will go up, and in the other case the price will go down. I hope that you have get some information about MACD in this video. I will put the link to the MACD in the link to this article in the video description below. Just follow the link and you will learn more about the MACD. If you have any question about MACD, feel free to reach me out on Facebook. I would be happy to answer all your questions regarding MACD, and see you soon in my next video reviews and tutorials about cryptocurrency and technical indicator and everything related to cryptocurrency.